Welcome. If you're looking to update your Pinterest About section using your PC after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step through the new process, making sure your profile reflects exactly what you want to share. Let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and go to Pinterest. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look to the left side of your screen. You'll notice a menu with several icons. Find the gear icon. It's usually labeled as Settings, and click on it. This will take you straight into your account settings. From here, look for the option that says Edit Profile. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a page where you can see all your profile details, including your profile picture, display name, username, and of course, your About section. Now scroll down until you find the About field. This is where you can write a brief introduction about yourself, your interests, or what your Pinterest boards are all about. Click inside the About box and type in your new description. Whether you want to share your passion for DIY crafts, recipes, fashion, or anything else. This is your chance to let people know what makes your Pinterest unique. Once you're happy with your new About section, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually at the bottom or top right of the page, and click it. Your updated About information will now be visible on your profile for everyone to see. That's it. You've successfully changed your Pinterest About section on your PC using the new update. Keeping your profile up to date is a great way to connect with others who share your interests and helps your board stand out. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more tutorials for the latest social media tips and updates.